Ah, ze hebben wel een 5-punt-gordel, zie je?
Ja, 3 op de wind.
En hier de batterijen, dat is ook wel top. 4 batterijen. Snelle connectie. En dit is meer de kopie van Jetson, die heeft ook zo'n bak.
Do you have any question?
Yeah, the battery. Can you show me the battery?
可以看一下电池。
电池没带过来，当时给你看照片。
哦，所以看我有。
Okay.
你说这个场馆它不允许带电池进。
Okay. Oh, this whole not allowed the batteries come inside.
Ah,
so
okay.
they can only show you the pictures of their batteries.
Ze hebben ook alleen maar porno op die telefoon staan, ouwe.
刚买了台衣服。跟他说23号，如果他没在的话，可以来的话，可以来我们这个试，要让他们试驾。
23号我自己是已经走了。
需要培训吗？来，这个东西我这个都可以吗？
也就是说，你们如果这个人失控了，你们会一个情况。
Like this.
OK。
Okay. Interesting machine. It's made for China people, very small, but it's good. Also here you have a lot of space. I think it's really the copy of Jetson about the inside. And the computer, it's very small, but I don't see the screen. But the job looks perfect. They look into every detail. Nice.
Our joystick can customize now.
Okay.
Yeah, we can put it like a little bit wider, and then
Yeah.
you control, you can get more space. to
Okay.
control it. Yeah, and for our product, the most important is safety.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what you see in the screen is very small, so I think you not can see so much. But you
can
show
see
in
the
it.
speed and the height and the battery life on the screen. That's
Okay, you can also see the temperature of the battery.
Yeah, temperature of course.
Okay.
And the location.
Okay.
And for this one, you think $60,000.
$60,000 this one.
Not including shipping.
Okay, excluded shipping and excluded parachute.
Yeah.
Okay, and so what is included shipping? You do also shipping or not?
We can do the shipping, but it costs more.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think it will be easier. You only buy the product and
Yeah.
you can responsible for the shipping by yourself.
Ah, okay, yeah, interesting. And how much hours you fly now with a machine like this?
30 minutes.
Okay. And what is the max weight that you can take inside? How much kilogram can be the pilot?
The weight, you mean?
Yeah. My weight is 100 kilograms, so
Actually, the maximum can be 100.
100. Okay.
Kilogram, but the normal weight we suggest is
Yeah.
85.
85. Okay. And how about like my feet? It's very small here. Can you make more space?
It's a very small problem that we can change.
Okay.
Yeah, we do the customized.
Okay.
We can make the joystick, the space around the joystick more wider, and
Yeah.
we can make the space here around
By the
joystick
legs also
wider.
more.
Yeah.
Okay.
And make sure you can stretch your leg.
Okay, interesting. Nice machine. One day I will try it.
I hope so.
Good machine. Good details.
肯定能回来嘛，对吧？3个是肯定能回来，就是怕3个没了就不好。
对，3个做东西我们都会做。
然后你如果就算下来，人是没事的。当然，每个人都有飞行的梦想，确实在业务场景是可以